Hi guys, back with me again in my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the recent popular songs in Spotify. So I'm going to open the Spotify app. So at the Spotify homepage right here, you basically can find the most popular songs to date, and you just need to scroll down until you find the chart. Okay, now this one's right here. You can find there is hot hits in my country, there is top 15 and also top 15 global. So this is the most popular songs today's on Spotify, and then if you want to play it, just click on the playlist, and then here you can just play the song, or you can also preview what song is popular to see what song is popular, and then here are the lists. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can find the popular songs in Spotify. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe. See you all in the next videos. Bye bye.